If you find yourself driving through Virginia on I-81 between Roanoke and Lexington, you might see a sign for Natural Bridge State Park. We did, so we decided to check it out. Exit 175 off of Interstate 81. Let's start with some important details. Number 1, parking is free. Number 2, it costs $9 to enter the park. If you're a child between the ages of 6 and 12, it's $6, and if you're under 6 years of age, it's free. Number 3, the main attraction of this park is a 200-foot tall natural bridge that sits in a limestone gorge carved out by Cedar Creek. Number 4, it's about a 10 to 15 minute hike from the entrance to the natural bridge, going down 130 steps. Just keep in mind, you'll need to walk back up those 130 steps. Here's a quick look at the trail going down, and you can see the steps. The pathway is clean, it's wide, and it's fairly easy going down. Number 5, in addition to the bridge, there are several caves, waterfalls, and hikes that you can explore on the property. Before you enter the bridge area, there is a ranger who will check your ticket, and there is a gift shop that sells ice cream, some tables that you can sit, and these are the last restrooms before you enter the hiking trail area. Just some facts about the bridge. It is 215 feet high, 90 feet wide, and 40 feet thick. In the 18th century, this area was surveyed by George Washington himself, who carved his initials in the rock. I didn't find it though. In 1774, Thomas Jefferson actually purchased the bridge and the land around it for about 20 shillings. And the last fact that I'll bore you with is Natural Bridge has been a popular tourist destination for centuries and was even considered one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. While I might find this very fascinating, the look from the baby says, "Daddy, I am bored out of my mind." On the other side of the bridge, there are benches that you can sit and enjoy the view, and I understand at night they have lights that project on the bridge to provide some type of show. After the bridge, there are a few hiking trails. One of them is a half-mile hike to Lace Falls, or waterfall, so we're gonna go check it out. A few minutes into the hike, and we stumbled on this cave. The trail is mostly flat, gravel, clean, wide, and follows the river. And at the end of the hike, you are rewarded with this view of Lace Falls. Lace Falls is about 30 feet, but you really can't see it because it's not a single drop, it's a staggered drop. The park also has other things like a butterfly garden, picnic areas, there's wildlife including deer, raccoons, foxes, and birds, and we really didn't see any deer, raccoons, or foxes. Other things to keep in mind, like I mentioned, there are multiple hiking trails. The park itself is about 1,500 acres, and overall I would say, if you're on a long drive going through Virginia and you need a break, you want something to do, you want to stretch your legs and see something kind of cool, I would recommend stopping here at Natural Bridge State Park. Again, it's $9 a person. Take an hour, 2 hours, whatever it is, walk around, see it, and then continue your drive. So I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Enjoy the rest of your day.